Hello and welcome to Dean's Yard. This is another pellet test. It's from the RWS range, and these ones are the Super H Point. They're 6.9 grain. This is what they look like. There you go, nice and clean as usual from RWS. And it looks like they're hollow point. That's what the H stands for, I think. Yeah, they are hollow point. Interesting. Okay, so what we'll do, the same arrangement, 6 shots paper target, 3 shots on the cans and 6 shots on a water bottle for penetration. So I'll put the camera next to the target and let's do the shoot. Okay, here we go. 6 shots at 40 feet. Okay, let's have a look at this. Let's just bring the camera. Bear with me a second. Okay, yep. The grouping is still okay. It looks like all 6 shots, one slightly high, and the rest of them there. Looks like they're shooting slightly higher, but kind of in the middle. Still a good grouping. Not as good as the R Match 10, which I reviewed previous to this video. Yeah, but still. Okay. So what we'll do now, we'll shoot 3 cans, hopefully 3 shots from 35 feet. And then we'll do the penetration test. Right, let's do these 3 cans. Hopefully better results than yesterday. Shot 1. Two to go. Shot 2. One to go. Shot 3. Okay, they hit hard. Yeah. I don't know what the hollow points do for accuracy or, you know, hitting something, but you know, let me know in the comments below what they're meant to do. So now what we're going to do is 6 shots, water bottle penetration at 35 feet. So I'll put the camera back and see how we get on. Okay, this time I've actually put the camera above it so we can see if any of the pellets go through, you know, and then we'll look at the front and back to see the results. So let's do it. Okay, right, bear with me a second while I adjust the camera again. Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, one must have gone in the same hole because it's bigger. That's the results. What about the back? It looks like 3. Well, no, 1 has gone through, or maybe more than 1, but we'll see in the video when I replay it. And the other 3 are stuck there. 35 feet with the hollow points. Yeah, still not sure what the hollow points do, so as I said before, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, but sounds very loud as well. Okay, so yeah, impressive. So these were the RWS Super Hollow Point. That's what I think they mean. And it's 6.9 grain. Yeah. I'll give these 3.5 to 4. Yeah. Don't know. I think I need to shoot them a bit more, but so far they're okay. They're okay. In my next video, I'm going to be using a tripod converted to a pistol rest. That's interesting, I think. So, if you like the video, please give us a like. Subscribe for the next videos coming up. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.